So, in today's video, we're going to do round robin algorithm. So, how to do that? First, let's know what's our process. So, we have process 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a writing time of 0, 1, 3, 5, 6 and burst time of 5, 3, 6, 1, 4. So, and we have time quantum of 3. So, what's time quantum? Time quantum stops the burst time para magamit niya yung pangalawang process. So, paano siya ginagawa? First, is darating si process 1. So, process 1. Si process 1 ay merong 5 na burst time. Pero, dahil nga meron tayong quantum 3, iisip na sa 3 yun. So, 1, 2, 3, and this is for process 1. Next naman, darating naman si process 2 ng process 3. So, guys, cancel out. Si process 2 naman ay merong tatlong burst time. So, 1, 2, 3, from this, like this, then C2. Then si process 3 naman ay merong 6. So 6, from this 3. So cancel natin ito. 0 na siya. So tapos na siya. Then 0, 1, 2, 3. And P3. Then, syempre hindi pa tapos yung si process 1. Kaya babalik siya dito. Process 1. Na meron pang 2 burst time. So 1 and 2. Then P1. Kasalat namin siya, din yung ito. Next naman, dumating naman si P4 and P5. P4 and P5. Si P4, ay merong burst time na 1. So, isa lang. Then P4. Next naman, isa kay P5. Meron siya 4. Pero meron tayong quantum 3. Meron tayong time quantum na 3. So, 1, 2, 3. P5. Then, after naman babalik naman dito si process 3. Meron pa tatlong first time. Cancel out. Then, 1, 2, 3. P3. Next naman ay yung P5. P5 dito. Then, P5. We're done.